Ambedkar was 15,000 votes. Today, the same party that says EVM, 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 would they accept that Ambedkar in 1951 made an allegation that the Congress has fixed the election to defeat him? Would you accept that? No. Would you accept that? ये सब सच्चाई जो है मानना बहुत बहुत मुश्किल है और मेरे सवालों का जवाब देना और भी मुश्किल है। मगर अगर आप माने इस चीज को कि अंबेडकर जैसे महापुरुष को, 1 minute, why was he made to resign from the Nehru cabinet? Because he refused, he was frustrated at Nehru's leadership, his rejection of the Hindu Code Bill, providing special rights to women and cosmetic measures of Dalit upliftment. No, these are realities.
And who opposed the Hindu Code Bill? Is it not Bharatiya Janata Party who opposed the Hindu Code
Bill? Sir, 1 minute. Congress can it even ensure? So please tell me. See, Anmol, अभी ये चीजें खुलेआम आगे. You can't say ये हुआ नहीं. ये हुआ. Congress party ने ये किया. This is the sad reality of how Congress treated Ambedkar. I'm not targeting you. Your party was not around. Your party was formed after 2012. But this happened 60 years earlier. Why just defend the Congress party for what they have done?
Arnab, I won't defend the Congress party because
why won't you defend?
We know even they were busy disrespecting Baba Saheb Ambedkar. We saw that NCERT textbook where Nehru ji was seen whipping Ambedkar.
Whipping Ambedkar. Yes, you're right.
This is an insult to Ambedkar ji. But the fact still remains.
This is an important point by the Aam Aadmi Party spokesperson. I emphasize it. I'm coming back to you. I'm not interrupting you. I'm not interrupting you. But viewers, please note today. Please note, Shazia, that there is Anmol Pawar, who is the official spokesperson of the Aam Aadmi Party, who has said, we are not going to support what the Congress party has done to Ambedkar, because, and he makes a point, he makes a point that there was a textbook put out in the Congress period, a government textbook which caricaturized Ambedkar and showed Nehru whipping Ambedkar. Yes. This is such an important point. Anmol, this is breaking news, should be carried. Our spokesperson says we will not defend what the Congress party has done to Ambedkar. Please proceed.
Can I respond?
Yeah, please proceed. That's a headline.
Well, that's only because they're not in an alliance with Congress on the Delhi elections.
No, don't qualify it. He doesn't need to
The BJP and RSS have a track record of opposing Baba Saheb Ambedkar. In fact, their own spokesperson.
Let him
just a minute.
We'll get the windows right.
I didn't interrupt.
Yeah, we will let everyone speak.
See, they oppose constitution because it ensures fundamental right and equality to the citizens, which they are against. They are facing the Dalits and the marginalized. They have been facing, long-term discrimination. And they are the ones. They are the ones
opposing UCC.
They are the ones. Just a minute, Shazia ji. Just a minute.
They are the ones. Is this the Waqf? No. Which
Shazia
is not part of the constitution.
Arnab ji, should I?
No, Shazia, you should let him complete, please.
They are the ones who wanted to replace constitution with Manusmriti. Just give me 30 seconds. I'll show the
replace constitution with Manusmriti. Now, can you tell me where you've got this funda from?
इसके माध्यम से मैंने किताब भी लाई है, मैं जरूर सबसे कहूंगा इसको पढ़े, शम्सुल इस्लाम।
नहीं, आपने हमारे किसी मैनिफेस्टो में पढ़ा है? I want to ask you, have you read it in any of the BJP's manifesto?
जो देश
has the Prime Minister
जो इसके माध्यम से
mentioned this?
मैंने किताब भी लाई है, मैं जरूर सबसे कहूंगा इसको पढ़े।
Who are you playing? Shehzad Poonawalla.
Shehzad, he's a BJP spokesperson,
what has
national
he said?
spokesperson.
I'll get him on the line right now. Get him on the line. Connect him on the phone.
और जो इसके माध्यम से मैंने किताब भी लाई है, मैं जरूर सबसे कहूंगा इसको पढ़े, शम्सुल इस्लाम की और सारे रेफरेंसेस के साथ। इसमें गोलवलकर जी जो आरएसएस के बड़े नेता है, गुरु जी, जिनके सामने ये लोग साष्टांग करते हैं दिन रात, ये कहते हैं कि हम लोग इस संविधान को मनुस्मृति से बदलना चाहते हैं। कौन सी मनुस्मृति? वही मनुस्मृति जिसको बाबा साहब आम्बेडकर ने फाड़ दिया था।
अच्छा, 1 minute.
किसकी वजह से बाबा साहब आम्बेडकर ने अपना धर्म छोड़ा?
1 point. You are just
so they are using Shehzad Poonawalla
before he joined the BJP.
Before he joined.
Okay, very nice. So can you tell me when it is dated?
This is another incident. This is another incident.
Let him have a say.
As the BJP spokesperson,
Shazia ji,
we are not like Aam Aadmi Party, which don't do Shazia ji. Read our manifesto.
26 नवंबर 1949 को संविधान को अपनाया गया, लेकिन 30 नवंबर को आरएसएस प्रमुख गुरु गोवलकर ने इसका विरोध किया। आरएसएस की पत्रिका में इसे धब्बा कहा गया। क्या कहेंगे आप इस पे बताइए?
बीजेपी
आपके
कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन
आपके आरएसएस के प्रमुख
आप बताइए
मोहन
मुझे,
भागवत
आप
जिससे
जिस
भारतीय
पार्टी के
जनता
साथ
पार्टी का उत्पन्न
आप जिस
हुआ है
पार्टी के साथ
वो
बात कर
कहते
रहे
हैं कि आरक्षण
आप
खत्म
बताइए
कर देना
उसके बारे
चाहिए।
में कि
आप इस पे
आपने
जवाब
क्यों जिसने
देंगे कुछ?
हराया था the person who defeated Ambedkar
आपके
was given Padma Bhushan.
वरिष्ठ आरएसएस
Isn't
के
it shocking?
प्रचारक मनमोहन
Isn't it
वैद्य ने
shocking?
कहा कि आरक्षण देना अलगाववाद बढ़ाने के समान है। इस पे क्या कहेंगे आप बताइए।
इंद्रपाल गौतम पे
जी, और
1997 में
जिसने EWS किया।
1997 में
जिन्होंने
50
बीस
साल
सेक्शन
जब हो गए
किया।
थे आजादी
अरे आप
को,
निकालते रहिए,
तब अरुण
आप
शौरी
निकालते
जी ने
रहिए भाई
कहा
साहब,
था
आप
अपनी
निकालते
किताब
रहिए।
में
आप कुछ भी
कि
कीजिए,
बाबा साहेब
Everybody knows
अम्बेडकर
what BJP
ब्रिटिशों के
stands for.
एजेंट थे।
A policy
आप
on
1998 में उन्हें
reservation.
राज्यसभा
It is
लाए।
the first
One minute, one minute. Anmol, look here. Anmol, look here. Shazia, 1 minute. Anmol, I'm look at me, Anmol. Listen to me. I'll just say this. I'll add one thing. You must be the only person. You must be the only person who takes Arun Shourie seriously and certainly believe that Arun Shourie's views are the views of the BJP. So please, he's been very frustrated since he did not get a cabinet position. He's frustrated, he's politically. If people like you consider that Arun Shourie and Subramaniam Swamy, you people think that Arun Shourie and Subramaniam Swamy represent the views of the BJP. You're fooling yourself. One. I'm asking you.
I have highlighted 5 incidents.
No, 1 minute. Just
But BJP must respond.
Absolutely.